Concept 2, finding the axis of symmetry using zeros. Alright, so because parabolas are symmetrical, we know they're going to rise at the same rate on each side. And if we have two zeros, okay, they're going to hit the same distance away from the axis of symmetry. Alright, they're going to start from the vertex, go up and over by a certain amount, go up and over by a certain amount, and so the axis of symmetry is going to be directly between them. Okay? So if it's hard to see where the axis of symmetry is, we can use the zeros to figure it out. Alright, so in this case I have a 0 at -2 and one at -8. Okay? All I've got to do to figure out where my axis of symmetry is take -2 and -8, add them together, and divide by 2. Okay? Take the average, take the mean. Alright, -10 divided by 2, -5, and that's where my axis of symmetry would be. Okay? If there's just one zero, it's very easy to figure out because the zero is going to be the same as the axis of symmetry, the same as the vertex. So this 0 is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my axis of symmetry for this one is going to equal 5. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Sometimes you'll get ones that are a little bit more difficult. It's hard for me to see exactly where my vertex is, where my axis of symmetry would be on this one, because it doesn't look like it's right on my y-axis. So I can find my zeros. This one looks like it's at positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is at -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got a -6 plus 5. It's going to equal -1 divided by 2. Oops, is going to give me an axis of symmetry of -1/2. Okay, it's that straightforward.